Okay, so today we're going to be making the antenna move and the arms move, and we're going to pin our guy so that he doesn't move around. If he was flying, it would be cool, but he's not flying, so we're going to pin his feet. So to do that, you're going to go up here to, right now you're on record, and we're going to go to rig, and then your character will show up. Anything over here with a crown means that you put a plus sign when you were in Illustrator, and you can now edit it or make it move. So what we're going to do is we're going to start with the antenna. So if I click on the antenna, you can see that it comes up here. And you see how from the center of our character to here, there is a line. That means that's where the pivot point is of this part that you have selected. And I don't want it to pivot from the middle. I want it to pivot from the head. So all I have to do is click and hold and drag it down here. Then if you look down here, there are a bunch of different things that you can do. So we're going to go here, and it's going to be the handle tool. And then you have the line tool, the pin tool, the dragger tool, and the dangle tool. So we want these to dangle. That is the whole point. So we're going to click on dangle, and we are going to put it right there. Now we've got to do the same thing to the right one. So if you click on the right one, you click and you go down. You need to move this down. You need to go to your dangle tool and click. And now if you go over to record, when you move, now you have dangling antenna. All right, so we're going to go over the arms again real quick. I know some of you have done the other tutorial, but if you click on the arm, same thing. I don't want my arm to move from there. I want to move it down to here. And then I'm going to go here, and I'm going to go to the handle, the dragger tool, sorry, the dragger tool. And I'm going to click the bottom right here. And then we are going to go to the right arm. We're going to do the same thing, move this down. And then we're already on the dragger tool. We're going to click it in the corner. So now, if you go back to record, you can kind of do whatever you want with your arm, which if it works for your character, that's great. But if not, if you want it to be more like a actual straight arm, I mean, you can put in a corner for an elbow or something like that. So to do that, you would have to put the line tool in, which is kind of like a bone tool. So if I click on the stick tool, stick tool, not line tool, and just click, hold, and drag, I now have a line, and I'm going to do the same thing over here on my left arm. I'm going to just click, hold, and drag. And if I go back to record now, when I use my handle tool on the corner, it's only going to move up and down on that one pivot. It is now a straight line, hence the name, the line tool. So if you have any questions, please let me know, but try to get these two things done, and then you will show me, and then we will continue moving on doing triggers and pins and such to give your character a little bit more character.